I love your Diesel Decoder because I think that that's a tool that every parts counter should have. Because then when you have guys pulling up and they got a code, you could run out, plug it in, check the code, and now with fault code to part number, you can run back in and give the person the part. Like every parts counter in North America should have at least one at the counter, maybe multiple.
Oh yeah, because you can walk out to the truck and plug it in and be like, here's the part I need to sell you. Yeah, 100% agree. You know, I look at that tool and today it really is amazing. I mean, literally it's a little bit like a $50 size, $350. That tool will hook up, read codes, clear codes. We now have it doing, and it'll do fault code to part number very shortly here.
Yeah.
And then it does two other really cool things. One, we added a bunch of the DPF regens and reset commands to it.
Right.
So now you can really do a regen from your phone, or I installed in DPF or any of those resets. And the other thing we've done is we've included what we call Diesel Health, which is basically the ability to do a pre and post scan on a vehicle and have all that information go to a website where you can log in and see every truck you've ever connected to in every scan. So it's amazing what a little $300 tool does.